Now, if you're looking to add more output to your 2023 CVO Street or Road Glide, we have brand new 6x9 replacement speakers. These direct replacements utilize your current baglid speaker locations and install super quick. So let's dive in. We know you want more power and performance, and these three-way 6x9 coaxial speakers are rated to handle 250 watts of power per speaker, giving you a sizable upgrade in audio output, and the long throw woofer design provides better low-end bass performance. We also measured rider positioning and designed them specifically so that they're always directly pointed at you, making sure the music is heard over wind, road, and exhaust noise. As always, these speakers were designed element ready. They're engineered to perform no matter the weather conditions, so water, dust, dirt won't be an issue. The bottom line is, you want that next step up in audio output for your 2023 CVO Street or Road Glide, and we've got you covered.